Things in my outdoor home office that just make sense. After 16 years of working at my kitchen table, I finally built my dream home office. And let me tell you, I've been waiting a long time for all these features. Seeing as I run my own Islamic toys company, of course, I have all my products on display, from our dolls to books to pillows, the whole lot. I'm not afraid to admit that I'm a bit of a workaholic and I can stay at my desk for hours on end. This standing desk has literally saved me and my posture. Plus, my coffee gets cold so quickly before I even get round to having my first sip, and my kids have got me this ember mug which keeps my drink hot at the perfect temperature for over an hour and a half. Best Mother's Day gift ever. Salah is the most important part of my day. Having a corner for my prayers humbles me and allows me to stay grateful for everything always. Alhamdulillah. I love these magnetic hooks that help me keep my charging wires nice and neat. Plus easy access plug sockets built into the floor. My meeting table was a must-have for me. It's my space away from my desk that allows me to connect with others. Anyone who knows me knows I love my plants, and these indoor ones are so cheerful and a constant reminder of Allah's creation. I love keeping my Quran to hand for when it's time to read, whether it's for my Tajweed class or reading Surah Kahf on Jummah. I'm always conscious of keeping healthy snacks to hand. Nuts and blueberries are my absolute go-to. And of course, there's always a place for little ones to come and play. And when I'm not at my desk, you can find me right here.